Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to comment in Airtable. All right, first up, go ahead and log into your Airtable account. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead over to Workspace. For example, this one. Just going to click on it to open it up. Now, you can go ahead and insert a comment, whether you're in Grid View, Kanban, or any other views right here. Say, for example, on Grid. Right here, just locate a project or task. And then, as you can see here, we have this expand button or icon. Just go ahead and click on it. And here we have the project title or the task title. And in the right panel, we have the comment section. All right. In here, just click on the comment box. Now, if you want to mention users, just go ahead and type in @ all right. And you will have the list of users right here, or collaborators. All right. Just go ahead and select one and go ahead and add your comment. For example, please redo this, just like that, and hit on, enter to save the comment. All right. Now, for example, on Kanban right here, I'm just going to go ahead and click on it. Now, we don't have the expand button, but we can just go ahead and click on one task. All right. As you can see here, we have the comment section as well. Just go ahead and put your comment right here, sample comment, hit on enter to send, close this one. And this is the one that we made comment before under Grid View. I'm just going to click on it. And here we have the comment. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.